Let's go. Let's go. I look so bad.
I know.
Merry Christmas. Sick waiting for you all day. Get off the table, that's disgusting.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
You stupid bitch, stop French kissing me.
Eli, what are we doing today?
Gingerbread man.
What? We're not doing gingerbread man, that's a bit weird.
We're making gingerbread man.
It's just kind of iconic, I think, because we're both ginger and we're both men. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Work it, shake. What you mama give you, Isabella has the moves like Jagger work
We
week.
got things for decorating the gingerbread men. We got the gingerbread mix. It's vegetarian because I'm actually really vegetarian. I'm like such a vegan. I haven't eaten meat except for Hugo for, I'm gonna say about 3 years now. Mom, do the measuring cup.
Why did you film off your phone?
My camera broke. You didn't know my camera broke. I had it in my last 2 vlogs and I also had it on my Instagram story. Bye, bitch. Get the head, get the bread, delete. Peace out. I'm gonna be Santa, Eli. You can be Mrs. Claus. Make my ass like a drum.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Sorry. You know what these remind me of? Is like if you're gonna golf in the middle of the night and your mom's like, oh, get like the golf bucket, and then like if you feel like you're gonna get sick in the middle of the night, then you just oh my god, where's the stencil?
You just have to say that you're fine.
I'm trying to find the stencil that I got for doing the gingerbread men. However, I couldn't actually find a gingerbread man stencil. So I got an elephant one. Like it was the closest thing to a gingerbread man. My brother Eli decided to hide it. And now we can't find where it is. I'm gonna say that's ideal.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that.
Cut the cameras. I'm pissed off. Find it, Eli, or else I'm gonna have a bitch fit. Okay, I'll ask Clarissa.
Filled by the wind.
I don't know what to do right now. This is the worst thing that could ever happen on my wedding day. I can't find the elephant gingerbread man stencil. Oh my god, pass me the things. No, obviously the things. I feel like I'm in Gordon Ramsay kitchen nightmare. How long has it been since we started looking for it? I'd say like 5 hours and we still can't find it. This is every chef's nightmare. I'm stress eating. It's here! Trying to make gingerbread cookies. Emphasis on trying. I'm going to have a bitch fit. Like that. Hope Santa comes to you. Some coal to light the fire. Looks like Santa dropped off my present early. I'm a bad bitch. Oh my god! Oh god! First things first, I'm the realist. You're an idiot sandwich. Eli just quit on me. Roughly 20 hours later, I got Eli to finally come back after sulking. Hey! Eli had a bitch fit. We threw in an extra 2 for long just because we're just having a good time.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time, jingle bell time. Dancing and dancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Gordon, what do you think of this, mate? High five! Nerd, nerd, nerd. Okay, Eli, you're actually distracting me so much. Bye! Ah! You Food fight! Screw you, Dr. Drew. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter wasn't from us because Betty's a right? Ah! Eli has more! We literally have 0 mixing left now because Eli decided to throw it across the room first. poisoning, aren't we? Oh wait. My brother was Gordon Ramsay in another life. Like what an actual little asshole. We literally have 0 mix left. You're ruining the net. You're ruining the net. Oops.
You just have to fine when you're
Because smack my ass and call me Jordan. No, it's not, man. Look here. Guys, look, if that's all we literally have. My dandruff's a bit bad. I'm just gonna itch my head. Warty hat.
What the fuck?
It's working.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells
They look a small more like sheep.
jingle bells.
He actually changed his name legally to Gordon Ramsay. Yes, boss. Oh my god, that's the best elephant ever! Woohoo! Oh yeah! I'm your server for tonight. What the f do you want to eat? Space is the moneymaker. Taste test of these warty, dog-licked, fingernail gingerbread women. Mmm. They're actually so nice, Mom. It feels quite weird eating an elephant's ass. I'm giving him one of my surnames, a heart. Get it? Because Isabella Heart. And these are all sponsored by Noah's Ark. I'm having a whale of a time. Ew, this one's not a bit nice. To your pea-sized brain.
I'm like 4'11".
I didn't know this sucked shit that high. So we actually need a ruler. Testing. 3, 2, 1. Oh my, I'm the boss. How does it feel to have a pug, you ask? It's basically like just owning a baby little pig.
Oh boy, you're the best boy ever.
Why am I so self-destructive? Mom, is it in the mist or the mist? This is what I have to put up with all the time. Phew! Eli, you can't say that.